is equipped with 2 welding robots, 1 handling robot, 2 sets of 2-axis positioners, 4 sets of assembly fixtures, 1 set of handling robot ground rails, 1 set of grippers, 2 sets of rotating column dust removal systems, 1 set of vision systems, 1 set of electrical systems and corresponding auxiliary equipment, replacing manual labor with automation to improve welding efficiency and quality. Driven by the continuous expansion and upgrading of the cement industry, the manufacturing quality, especially the welding quality, of the hopper, which is a key load-bearing component of the elevator, directly determines the reliability, lifespan, and safety of the equipment operation. Traditional hopper manufacturing mainly relies on manual assembly and positioning and manual welding, with pain points such as low efficiency, high labor intensity, large fluctuations in welding quality, poor consistency, difficulty in recruitment and continuous rising labor costs. The Robot Workstation offers custom fixtures and electromagnetic adsorption floating grippers, and is compatible with 11 specifications of hopper welding. Vision-assisted positioning ensures loading and assembly accuracy. Hopper assembly welding is shortened to 8.2 to 21.8 minutes, with a 100% welding success rate. At one workstation, robots are responsible for transporting, loading and unloading, assembling and welding hoppers without human intervention throughout the process, reducing the number of workers and lowering labor costs.